Hey guys, welcome to Rollout Savings with Danielle and Lori. I'm Lori, and in this video, we've got personal care deals, grocery deals, and pet deals. The first category we're going to cover is our grocery deals. You are going to want to pick up 2 each of the Pure Leaf tea and the coffee creamer, along with both sizes of Folgers that you see there. Use your 5 off 25 and you'll be paying just $10.50 for this deal. For this one, we're getting 2 of the Marie calendars, 2 Tombstone pizzas, 2 coffee creamers, plus Folgers and Vicks VapoDrops. Clip the coupons that you see shown on your screen and you'll pay just $15.75 at the register. And for this deal, we're going to pick up 2 grits, 2 cake mix, 1 icing, 3 of the macaroni, 2 of the tea jugs, and a Totino's pizza rolls for just $14.25 after $12.50 in savings. Next up, we have our pet supply deals, and there are some good ones this week. We are going to get 4 bags of Purina Cat Chow with 1 Little Soups, and pick up that Airwick Advanced Warmer as a filler on this one. After coupons and instant savings, you're going to pay just $11.70 for this. For this next deal, we're getting 5 bags of Friskies with 1 of the Little Soups, and we're just going to pay $10.75 at the register after clipping these coupons. In this next deal, we're going to pick up 4 bags of Friskies along with 4 cans of the wet food and 2 of the Little Soups. Clip the coupons that you see there on your screen and you'll pay just $10.32 for this one. For us dog owners, we've got a deal with 2 bags of the Alpo Prime Cuts. Grab a box of Milk Bones and 3 of the Beneful Incredibites. Clip what you see there on your screen and you'll pay just over $16 for this one on Saturday. Our next set of deals is going to cover personal care. This Head & Shoulders is the $4.50 cost. The Febreze is the holiday scent. Grab the 2-pack and the charcoal toothbrushes along with your Colgate, 3 Bounce, and the Airwick and pay just over $2 Saturday. With this one, we're going to pick up 2 Skintimate razors, 2 Old Spice body wash with your VapoDrops. Clip the coupon shown and pay just $7. This one's an awesome deal on Colgate. The 2 toothpastes alone is over $15. You're going to grab 2 of the Oral-B toothpicks and the Airwick Advanced and pay just under $4 on Saturday. Here's another great deal. You're going to pick up your 2-pack of Colgate toothbrushes with the Optic White Pro, 1 Skintimate razors, your Airwick Advanced, Holiday Febreze, and VapoDrops. $23 in total coupons on this one, making your out-of-pocket just $3. We want to thank you guys for joining us here on Rollout Savings. Keep in mind a free and easy way to support our channel would be to watch our videos. Please leave us a thumbs up and a comment and let us know which deal you're excited about. We can be found across social media in all the places you see there on your screen, and we'll be back with the next big deal. Bye guys!